in your data mining. Next topic is characteristics of search engine. Characteristics of search engine. What are the characteristics we have in the data mining? There are 4 types of characteristics we can have in the search engine. First one is problem with searching using a search engine. Second one, the goal of web search. The goals of web search. And third one, the quality of search results. The quality of search results. And last one, definition of precision and recall. Precision and recall. These 4 search engine characteristics we have in a data mining. First one is problem with searching using a search engine, the goal of web search, quality of search result, definition of precision and recall. These characteristics we have in a search engine. What is the problem we can have to search using the search engine? It means what are the problem we have? It means first one is objective of search engine. First one, objectives of search engine and goal of search engine, goals of search engine, and what search engine try to do, what search engine or search engines try to do. These 3 things we can say it in a problem with the searching using a search engine. In your problem with searching using a search engine, we have 3 problems. First one is objective of search engine, goal of search engine, and what search engines try to do. This problem we can have to search for the searching using the search engine. That one. Second one, the goal of search engine. What is the goal of search engine means? First one is navigational. Second one, informational, and transactional. These 3 things we can say it in the goal of web search. In your goal of web search, we can have the 3 goals we can have. First one is navigational, second one is informational, third one is transactional. This goal we can have in the web search. What is navigational? Navigational means primary information we need the query, or we can check the information. That one we can call it as the navigational. It means navigation means we can check the information to the one place to another place we can move, means we can use the navigational purpose. It is an example we can take the Air India or any queries we can take on to navigate the information. That one we can call it as the navigational. What is informational? It is a primary information. What are the primary information? Primary information need to search the query. it find the website and provide the useful information about the topic. That one we can call it as the information. Primary information need in search query. What are the query we want? That one we can search and find website. Find the website that provides the useful information about a topic of interest. That one we can call it as a informational goal of web search. Navigational means this one also primary information need to be this query need to be query. What query we want? We can travel the one place to another place, means we can use the navigational information, or we can move to the one place to another place, we can put the navigation or map we can do. Example, airline or Air India, that journey we start means the traveler will be where they are reached or not. That one we can check it in the navigation. Next one, transactional. It is this one also primary information needed to search a query to go to a website and perform some kind of transaction. We can transfer the information, or we can go to the website to perform some kind of transaction. That one we can call it as a transactional. Anywhere problem with the search engine? Search using a search engine, we can have 3 types: objective search engine, goal of software searching, and the what search engine try to do. That one is the problems. Then goal of search engine means we can use the 3 goals: navigational, informational, and transactional. Navigational means what are the primary information we want to traveling the one place to another place, we can put the map or the navigation. Example, Air India, any traveling purpose we can use the navigational. Informational means search query we can find out to website and we can provide the useful information, or what are the topic we can search, we can get the more information or interested information we get. That one we can call it as the informational. Transaction means we can use the website and it will be perform some kind of transaction we can do. That one we can call it as a transactional. These 3 we can call it as a goal of web search. That one we can call it as a goal of web search. Next one is quality of search result. Quality of search result. Quality of search result. You should be satisfied the following requirement. What are the requirement? It will be satisfied means we can use the precision, and second one is recall, then third one is ranking, and the next one is first screen, and last one is speed. This quality of web result, search result we can have in a search engine. What is precision? It only relevant document should be returned. This one only return the only relevant documents should be returned. Only relevant documents should be returned. That one we can call it as a precision. Recall means all the relevant documents should be returned. All the relevant documents should be returned. In your precision we can use the only relevant document should be returned. In your recall we can use means all relevant documents should be returned. Rank means ranking of the document providing the some indication or relevant or reliance of the result. It should be returned. Relevant and the relevance, relative and relevance of information or result should be returned. Relevant and relative and relevance of the result. Relative and relevance of the result should be returned. That one we can call it as a ranking. And the next one is first screen. First screen means first page of result. First page of result should be included in the relevant result. Include the most relevant result. That one we can call it as a first screen. Next, last one, speed. It is provided quickly since user have little patience. That one we can call it as a speed. Result should be provide quickly since users have little patience to wait or maintain the speed. That one we can call it as the speed. In the quality of such result we can have 5 types: precision, recall, ranking, first screen and speed. Precision means only relevant document we should be returned. Recall means all relevant documents should be returned. Ranking, relevant and the relative data result should be included. And first screen means it is a first page. It is a result including the most relevant result we want. Speed means it is a result should be provided quickly since user have little patience to wait. That one we can call it as a speed. Last characteristics is definition, precision and recall. Definition, precision and recall. What is precision? The precision of item retrieved the relevant information. That one we can call it as a precision. Precision is the only relevant document should be returned, or proposition of items retrieved the relevant information. That one we can call it as a only relevant data or document should be returned. That one we can call it as a precision. And recall means all the relevant data document should be returned, or proposition to relevant item or retrieve. That one we can call it as a recall. In your precision we have one formula. That one is precision is equal to number of relevant retrieved data divided by total retrieved data. Total retrieved data. Then recall means number of relevant retrieved data, total number of total relevant items. In this we can use the data, in this we can use the item. Total relevant item, total retrieved, this one total retrieved, this one total retrieved item. How to find out the precision means total retrieved and total relevant data divided by total retrieves. Then recall total retrieved data, then total relevant data divided by total relevance. We can find out. Then we can use like this. This one we can call it as the item retrieved. This one relevant retrieved. This one relevant item. This one is the item retrieved. This one relevant item, and the relevant retrieved information we can store in here. This is your characteristics of search engine. Thank you.